Video title: Transform your $500 to $5,000. Master intraday trading with these simple steps. Video description: in this video, you will learn the simple steps to transform your $500 investment into $5,000 through mastering intraday trading. Intraday trading allows you to take advantage of short-term market movements, maximizing your profits within a single trading day. With the guidance provided in this video, you will gain the necessary knowledge and strategies to become a successful intraday trader. Don't miss this opportunity to master the art of intraday trading and turn your small investment into significant gains. Keywords: intraday trading, transform investment, short-term market movements, successful trader, maximize profits. Intro. Background music playing. Host: welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and strategies for aspiring traders. In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of intraday trading and reveal the simple steps that can help you transform your $500 investment into $5,000. So, if you're ready to maximize your profits through intraday trading, keep watching. Transition screen: transform your $500 to $5,000. Voiceover: smooth voice-over with engaging tone. Host: voiceover, are you ready to take your investment to the next level? In this video, we will show you how you can master intraday trading and maximize your profits. With just $500, you can unlock the potential to turn it into $5,000 using these simple steps. Step 1. Understanding intraday trading. Introduction. Host: voiceover, before we dive into the steps, let's first understand what intraday trading is all about. What is intraday trading? Host: voiceover, intraday trading, also known as day trading, involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. Traders aim to take advantage of short-term price movements to make quick profits. Benefits of intraday trading. Host: voiceover, why should you consider intraday trading? Let's explore its benefits. 1. Potential for quick profits. Host: voiceover, intraday trading allows you to capitalize on short-term market movements, enabling you to make quick profits within a single trading day. Visuals: graph showing price movements. 2. Limited market exposure. Host: voiceover, unlike long-term investments, intraday trading minimizes exposure to overnight risks and unexpected market events. Visuals: images showing different market scenarios. 3. Lower capital requirements. Host: voiceover, with as little as $500, you can start intraday trading, making it accessible for individuals with limited capital. Visuals: money icon and trading chart. Step 2. Developing a trading strategy. Introduction. Host: voiceover, one of the key ingredients for successful intraday trading is having a well-defined trading strategy. Define your goals and risk tolerance. Host: voiceover, you need to identify your trading goals and establish a risk tolerance level that aligns with your investment objectives. Visuals: setting goals and determining risk tolerance. Technical and fundamental analysis. Host: voiceover, to make informed trading decisions, it's crucial to analyze both technical and fundamental aspects of the market. Technical analysis. Host: voiceover, technical analysis involves studying price patterns, indicators, and charts to identify potential entry and exit points. Visuals: candlestick chart, moving averages, and RSI indicator. Fundamental analysis. Host: voiceover, fundamental analysis focuses on examining the financial health and news surrounding a particular company or market. Visuals: company balance sheet, news headlines. Step 3. Risk management. Introduction. Host: voiceover, successful intraday traders understand the importance of risk management to protect their investments. Set stop loss and take profit levels. Host: voiceover, by placing stop loss orders, you can limit your potential losses, while take profit orders help secure your desired profit levels. Visuals: stop loss and take profit orders. Position sizing. Host: voiceover, Determining the appropriate position size based on your risk tolerance is crucial to effectively manage the potential downside. Visuals, different position sizes and risk levels. Step 4. Implementing your trades. Introduction. Host, voiceover. Now that you have your strategy in place and understand risk management, it's time to implement your trades. Trade entry and exit points. Host, voiceover. Based on your analysis, identify favorable entry and exit points for your trades. Visuals, executing trades on a platform. The importance of discipline and patience. Host, voiceover. Successful intraday traders exhibit discipline and patience to stick to their strategy and avoid impulsive decisions. Visuals, trader waiting patiently. Step 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. Introduction. Host, voiceover. To master intraday trading, you must be open to continuous learning and adapt to market dynamics. Analyze your trades and learn from mistakes. Host, voiceover. Reviewing your trades and analyzing what went right or wrong can provide valuable insights for future improvements. Visuals, analyzing trades and notes. Stay updated with market news and trends. Host, voiceover. Keeping yourself updated with the latest market news and trends can help you make informed trading decisions. Visuals, news headlines and financial data. Outro. Host, congratulations. You are now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to transform your $500 investment into $5,000 through mastering intraday trading. Remember, it's all about understanding intraday trading, developing a trading strategy, practicing risk management, implementing your trades, and continuously learning and adapting. Now, it's your turn to take action and start your journey towards becoming a successful intraday trader. Transition screen. Transform your $500 to $5,000. Master intraday trading. Host, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Happy trading. Closing music plays.